My name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for supporting me. So for today's video, I'll be doing the April Boxycharm unboxing. Now, let me tell you, I am fairly impressed with this box. I actually like majority of the things that I received this month. So if you guys are interested on what I got, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I used in this month's box was this Benefit POREfessional face primer, and I've had this before and I actually really enjoy it. I put it on my T-zone where I have the most pores, so that way when I applied my foundation and concealer, it could be really smooth. I'm actually glad that it was in this month's box because I really do enjoy this primer. And it is full size and it retails for $32. So the next thing that I received in this month's box is this Zoeva eyeshadow palette. It's the cafe palette and it looks like this. And I love the colors in this palette. It's really up my alley. You see it has those purples, it has this green like color which stands out against all the other colors. Unfortunately, I did not use that color today, but I tried doing another, you know, kind of halo eye situation. Again, I'm not the best at it, but you know, practice makes perfect, and I'm gonna keep on practicing. And this palette retails for $28, which is not bad. It's not bad because it has how many shades? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It has 10 shades for $28. That's not bad. So the next thing in the box that I also use is this. This is the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick in the shade Lava Cake. I did use it, but I put my natural lip gloss from e.l.f. on top of it so it could like dim down the color a little bit because it was a little too dark for me. The next thing in the box that I received is this Iconic London Illuminator. And I did not use this on my face today because I know that products like this I don't typically use, so I didn't want to open it but I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, so whoever wins the giveaway hopefully can get some use out of it, because I know myself, I'm not gonna use this. But this retails for $41. Last but not least, I received these 3 sheet masks. Now, I did use this one. This one is the illuminating one. I did use this one last night, and this one is I'm Lotus. And it claims that it makes dull skin look radiant and glowy. And this one is I'm Hemp, which is a calming sheet mask. It claims that it calms irritated skin. And then this one is Purifying I'm Cactus, which claims it makes uneven skin tones look radiant and glowy. So I'm gonna most likely use these 2 next time I decide to do a face mask. But yeah, and then those retail for $9. And yeah, guys, that completes today's video. It was kind of quick again. But yeah, let me know if you guys have Boxycharm and what did you guys get this month. Do you like your box this month? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.